Hi, Miss Jakata here, and I'm going to tell you how herbals saved my life. But before we get into this video, hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to be talking about lemon balm. Now, the herb that saved my life that my husband provided to me a couple years ago when I was diagnosed with Barrett's esophagus, which is a precursor for cancer. We're going to get into that in the next several videos, but we're going to get on this lemon balm right here. Now, even though that lemon balm clearly on this bag says it comes from Europe, it is a native of the Mediterranean area and Central Asia, and it comes from the mint family, and it definitely has like a lemon mint smell. So listen, it smells awesome and amazing. So this mixture right here, this is what I take daily with other herbals, which we're going to get into, but I also have lemon balm in this mixture right here. Now, what I love about lemon balm, because it has so many great properties. And one of the things that it is very good for is anxiety and stress relief, which is something I definitely deal with. Another reason why my husband got this herb for me, because it was good for the GI, which is, like I said, something I suffer from Barrett's esophagus. But it definitely protects your stomach, so your stomach is not producing so much acid when we're eating some of the things that causes acid reflux. Now, it definitely improves your appetite. It helps with brain fog and also nausea. I would say this would be very good for pregnant women. However, if you are under a treating physician, I would recommend you check with them first, but it has been recommended in a lot of studies for pregnant women. But once again, I am not a physician, so definitely check with your physician with using this herb. And once again, for the GI system, it helps with indigestion, and it also helps with bloating and gas, so you can pass it real freely. It's a good herb. I love this herb right here. It's a great antibacterial for your body, and antiviral, such as if you're dealing with shingles, chickenpox, or herpes. It helps combat these viruses. And think about like having the virus for chickenpox or shingle. It never goes away. It just lays dormant in your nervous system. So it'll help. This herb right here definitely helps suppress for them coming to the surface and you being affected by it. Now it's time to drink your herbals. So I already have some water in here. You can pour some boiling hot water in a cup, and what you can do is just add the herbals, which I already added them, to the individual steeper. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes. Add a sweetener in there. Preferably I use raw sugar, not honey, because when you warm it up to extreme high temperatures, it becomes toxic, and then I drink it. Now, this big steeper right here, I normally put like whatever herbals I have mixed up. I put about a half a cup in here, pour hot water in here, and then pour it into my cup or whatever. But I'm just showing if you want to do it individually. But like I said, this is one of the herbals I take. It's good for my GI system. That's what I take it primarily for, but it has other amazing benefits. Once again, if you're not sure on, or you're not confident in getting into holistic treatment with herbals, I would suggest, referring to your physician. However, this is what I have used to improve my health and my life. So come back for more videos, because we're going to get more into these herbals, what I use daily, what my regimen is, and how I have improved and made my life have purpose and longevity. Thanks for visiting my channel. Make sure you subscribe, and please come back, because we're going to get in more of these videos.